How does a turboshaft or helicopter engine work? The compressor and the high-pressure turbine are connected through the high-pressure shaft, and the low-pressure turbine is connected to the rotor through the low-pressure shaft. When the compressor is rotated, the air passes through the blades, due to which the pressure and temperature of the air increase rapidly. The pressure of the air is increased more effectively through the centrifugal compressor. Then that air enters the combustion chamber. As the fuel is sprayed, the fuel-mixed air catches fire, which produces high-temperature and high-pressure gas. When the gas is released at high speed, it rotates the high-pressure and low-pressure turbine. As a result, more air enters the engine. And this cycle continues. That means the self-sustaining cycle of the engine is started.